mayo. Wanna see what we have inside and what is it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using this piano hinge here. I have to cut it right here. I'm also gonna be using this flat bar. It's an aluminum flat bar. I'm gonna be using this one at the edge of the frame, just to put in behind the water seal that I'm gonna use to when the door closes. All right, listen, looks pretty good, but I'm gonna have to do a adjustment, because when you see here, it will be better if the piano hinge just crossed over this side of the trailer. All right, final decision here, it was that re-welding the piano hinge here, and just gonna re-welding back, and then I'm gonna make the cut approximately here, but I'm gonna double make sure that this is true TV. This is true TV. Looks really good. I have to clean it up a little bit, but for now it looks pretty good. Alright, I already solved the problem. As you can see, pretty much nobody is gonna know the difference. Shh, don't say nothing. So this thing is giving me a lot of adjustment before putting the screws. It's almost 8 p.m. Let's do it. All right, the next step, I'll be adding the toggle clamp right here. That's what I'm gonna do now. And the lock is gonna be this side. Pretty happy with the Arana gas charger lift supports. They did a really good job for my rear door. As you can see here, one of this one was made for 100 pounds. Works really good for my rear door. The top was the main. Let's see what we have inside and what is the